Hi everyone, I'm here today to make another Chex mix. Today I'm making Charlie Brown's Party Mix. And Charlie Brown was an outcast. And this Chex mix is kind of an outcast too. It is not a sweet Chex mix. So what all goes into the Charlie Brown's Party Mix? 1/4 cup or 1/2 stick butter, 1 1/4 teaspoon seasoned salt, 4 1/2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce, 8 cups of your favorite Chex cereal, corn, rice, and or wheat, 1 cup peanuts, of course Charlie Brown's part of peanuts, and 1 cup pretzel sticks. So let's begin. Take a large microwave bowl, dump in your butter, which is 1/4 cup or 1/2 stick. Put it in the microwave. On high for 1 minute or until melted. Stir in the 1 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt and the 4 1/2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. So this is not going to be a sweet one, it's going to be more of a savory one. So I'm giving a shout out to Arkansas Pilgrim. This one is for you. I'll leave his link down in the description box below so you can go check him out. So then gradually we're going to add in the peanuts. And I'm going to just add a few of each one so it gets easier to mix. So the peanuts, the pretzels, which is a cup each, and 8 cups of the Chex cereal. That's 2 so far. I'm going to stir that up a little bit. You have to be gentle when you stir it because you don't want the cereal to break. So I figured this might be a little bit easier way of doing it. The rest of the peanuts, the rest of the pretzels, and 6 more cups of the Chex. That's 7 and 8. And then gently stir that until it's thoroughly mixed. And I'll be back in a little bit. Put it back in the microwave. Heat it for 5 to 6 minutes, stirring after every 2 minutes. So after 6 minutes, stirring every 2 minutes, I took it out of the microwave. We'll put it on a baking sheet and spread it out and let it cool. So we'll let it cool, and then after it cools, we'll put it in an airtight container, and when Dave gets home, he can do a taste test. So here is the Charlie Brown Party Mix. Let's get Dave to do a taste test.
Is this popcorn mix?
No, it's Charlie Brown's. Charlie Brown's Party Mix.
Okay. With popcorn?
No popcorn.
Okay. Well, one of them jumped.
I saw that.
Yeah. Does that have garlic in it?
It's got seasoned salt and Worcestershire sauce.
Oh.
Worcestershire. God, I can't say it now.
It's pretty good.
It's not a sweet one.
Yeah, it's not. That's what I was going to say. It's not a sweet one. If somebody's looking for not a sweet one, this is one. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.